In this video, we'll show you how to import the link and text fields of the Inquire US option added thanks to the Remove Add to Cart WooCommerce plugin. To do this, we'll export our product information, edit it offline, and then import it back into WooCommerce with a few clicks. This is great because you only need to know how to edit a document in Excel or Google Sheets, and then you can import the data and text in just a few minutes. To export and import the CSV file, we'll use the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin, which displays all the products and their complete information in an intuitive spreadsheet. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The first action that we'll explore is to export the columns we want to a CSV file. For this, we'll use the Export tool. Here, we'll select to export the ID, name, Inquire as text, hide price, Inquire US link, and the Disable Add to Cart column. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the file, and export the CSV file. This is how the products will look once you open the CSV file with Google Sheets. You can edit the Inquire links and texts as well as the other fields created by the Remove Add to Cart WooCommerce plugin. Once we are done, we'll have to save the document if we're working with Excel, but if you are working with Google Sheets, you'll have to download the file. Now, let's import the spreadsheet we just edited. For this, open the Import tool. Then select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import, and hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to update existing items, and ignore new items. To match the fields, select the record ID of the CSV file and the WordPress field ID. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the courses will look imported. So click here and your import process will start. In just some minutes, all the information will be updated. You no longer have to worry about editing hundreds of products individually, as you can easily export and import Remove Add to Cart WooCommerce fields in a few simple steps. Our plugin completely simplifies the management of your WooCommerce store and helps you save a lot of time. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.